It is 6 minutes to save 6 years of errors. Than having two businesses, running the last one to liquid 8 figures before I will lose exit on it. So let's get into it directly so you will understand something new today in your own life. So to make money, you need to be aggressive. To hold on the money, you need to be defensive. Defensive. Raising capital only works in the modern sales ways. Increasing orientation for clients only works in the old high engaging ways. Building a personal brand is not what you want, it's what you need to. You can't win in business without one to many direct response marketing skills. You sell by serving others genuinely, not by pushing urgency. Most investors are tear kickers until they show the opposite. 2 days of no workout or running means 2 days of less effective work on your own business. The closing deals needs one to be certain, the second one will follow. Operate your business directly when you generate revenue. Don't wait seconds. So once you have the revenue, directly operate here, okay? And get off of the business, okay? Be outside, not inside. Content creation is 24/7 sales magnet. Invest into it. Your mindset is what makes your business shine or thrive. Your only limit is your own environment, the people around you day by day, and what your inner self starts to listen to. You lose when your emotions increase more than your logic, and you win when your life becomes emotionless. Downfall happens when you let your losses stack on each other. Identify the source and cut it off now. Never have a business with a woman. Women make business decisions based on their emotions. Business success relies on logic only, without any emotions included. Never ever share doubts in your business or with anyone inside your business or outside, not even your team members or your family members. That's what I can give you, something that will make sense to take a look on and to give you more knowledge or more experience on what you need to do. Maybe you are going through one of them right now. I have already went through the most of them. And I can clearly tell you that if you can just take advantage of what I have already told you and apply it and make sure that you will not only listen it, but you will do it with your own business or with whatever you are building currently, you will have a better year. Everything that I have already given to you right here, it took a lot of time on my own life into building the same errors cycle and into going nowhere for a bit of time. Everything that will help you to save time, it will absolutely be valuable. Not saving money. Saving money, it will absolutely not help you a lot. Most of the time, you need to spend more money actually to save more time because most of you are more into the scarcity of not spending money, that's completely wrong. I have already done that in the beginning. I didn't want to invest a lot into new sources, into new programs that will help me to go further. But with the time, I just came back to the same thing that I wanted to have it from the beginning, which is to invest more and to spend more time, spend more money to gain more knowledge, more experience from someone who will actually help me to go further to where I'm gonna get. So if you are going through one of what I have already told you, you will have already received an answer. And if you are into this sector that I have already provided you with lately, which is you are not spending a lot of money to invest or to go further in your own journey, then you need to invest more. Invest more into marketing, skills, people, connections, whatever you are doing currently, you are running out of time. Okay. With the time, you will see that you will need it to invest more money into the sources that you wanted to have from the beginning, but you thought that you could actually do that by your own self. And with the time, you will see that you can do that by your own self. You need actually to have X in your own life in order to get Y. Then get Y. invest into X. Make sure that you will have the best year. It was everything less than 6 minutes. I hope it was something that's helped you to light something up in your own mind. I would help you further with your own journey. Have a nice day.